And Tampa Bay's Aaron Parsegian is in Citrus County tonight, where you just saw mandatory evacuations are in effect for Zone A tonight. Aaron, you're in Crystal River, where Hurricane Helene could bring life-threatening storm surge to the area.
Yeah, Courtney, and tonight we're right here in the evacuation zone, right next to Kings Bay here in downtown Crystal River. This is an area that's been battered by storms in the past, and you can see based on the storefronts here, they're taking these warnings seriously.
Small business owners in Crystal River busy doing what they can to protect their properties from flooding.
15-foot surges is a lot more than what we expected even for Debbie back, so, just preparing.
Hurricane Debbie delayed the opening of Len's ice cream shop downtown. After 4 weeks, they're boarding up again.
If we can do anything to help, other small little businesses or any little homes in the area, we'll be around. But once the storm hits, I'm headed for dry land back in towards the other side of the county.
That's what emergency officials are urging folks west of US 19 to do, as the area could see more than 12 feet of life-threatening storm surge. Just over a year ago, Hurricane Idalia brought around 7 feet of water, surge that devastated communities and homes, many still cleaning up today.
We had 14 inches of water in the house, so we basically had to remove everything from the downstairs.
Gloria Barber is staying at one of the many full hotels east of the city, not taking any chances and warning her neighbors to do the same.
Don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait till it's already started flooding and then think you're going to get out. Because your house may be safe, but that road you have to go out on may not be safe. So please leave.
And that's also what we're hearing from emergency officials here in the county, who say if you live west of US 19 here in Crystal River, basically any western part of Citrus County, now is the time to get out. Sandbags are no match for several feet of storm surge. We live in Crystal River tonight. Aaron Parsegian, 10 Tampa Bay.